Hi there, this is Darren from Treasure Life Family Farms, and today we're debugging electrical on 2008 Toyota Sienna Minivan. It's an LE, if that makes any difference. What we have going on is the outlets that we use for nothing really more than charging cell phones seem to have gone dark. So I've changed that fuse before. It's been a long time, and at the time there was one other of these blue 15 amp fuses in the box, and it was for the rear wiper. And so then it took me a while to remember to go get more fuses. So we didn't have the rear wiper for a long time. And then just recently one of the kids said, well, the power port in the back doesn't work. Well, that's a kind of a new mystery. But then I told her, go try it again, because, you know, months ago, we had replaced that fuse, and she tried it out, and sure enough it worked. And now I'm being told none of them work. So I don't know if we're getting a little overload because you know, these power ports are 2008 and we're putting in 2021 electronics and trying to pull a little too much, or if there's something wrong in the minivan. So anyways, yeah, let's go get that fuse out and put a new one in and see if that just gets everything back to business. And then maybe what we'll do is, if we blow them out more, we'll put a 20 in there and burn the whole minivan down. No, just kidding. But maybe that would be enough. So let's go dig that fuse out. All right, I don't know how much of this we're gonna be able to see. Let's try it out though. So I believe the one we're looking for is this one here, 15 amp power outlet. It's gonna be the third one on this side, which this cover goes about like that. So it's gonna be the third one in the back row. Right there. That one. Let me see. I can't get it with my fingernails. And imagine this. I was able to find the needle in those pliers. Let's pull that guy out. Now, a little bit of good news is I actually bought the right fuses. You can see that little blade thing there. And not only did I buy the right fuses, I bought the right fuses twice. Because now we got this package of stuff. And what does that thing do? I think that thing will test a fuse. Let me get this one opened and let's see if this thing here will test a fuse for us. So, oh, a little wobbly, sorry. Okay, so here's a new fuse. Not so sure I could tell 100% on the old one if it was bad or not. This, I got the big fingers. There it goes. Let's go see if our phone will charge now. I don't think you'll be able to see that, but the charger is not necessarily working. So this cord's good, I know that. And I know that because I just had it plugged in the wall and it worked. So I'm gonna go get another one of these little plug-in gizmo jowers there, just to see if that's the problem. So let's go replace that part of the puzzle. Okay, so I don't think that was working before. I'm not 100% sure. Maybe it wasn't pushed in far enough. So if we put it over here though, it still has nothing. So let me try this guy over here. And that guy's good as well. So it's whatever this port is here that's no good, which is not the worst thing in the world, because we got one up front. And let's go try the back one and see if the back one's any good. So I got the door open because one-handed on the door, probably not gonna win. Hey, I think we raided a basketball store. At least we know where they're all at, if you get wondering. Okay, so there's our power outlet. Let's see if I can do this without dropping the phone. And I brought the one that has a little blue light ring thing so we can see, but the phone should start charging too. Oh, okay. So we're good to go on all this. Little blue ring is on. Phone is, I don't know if you see that, charging. You know, the other thing, my fair good people, that I finally learned, I don't know how many videos I got out there, but I changed the recording mode to linear versus whatever else was making the fisheye lens thing. Wish I would have known that earlier, like about 100 videos ago. So we'll see if that makes a difference, because normally if you did this, I think you get a more field of vision, but this would look curved from the fisheye thing. And now, I read somewhere on the internet, you do linear. So, however many videos that I've been doing GoPro, which is most of them, that's how long it took me to figure that out. So, alright, that's a wrap on the old fuse thing. I'm not going to go after that second power outlet. Old Bessie here's got 194,975 miles on her. And if she wants to have one outlet that doesn't work, that's fine. We got one that does up front, one in the back. So that's enough for everybody. And I'm not going to spend a lot of time on it. I've got to go and finish the oil change on this. The only thing left is to start up and back it off the ramps, let it run a minute, and then check the oil and get it out of here. And then we've got a ton of work to do on the F-150, so stay tuned for that. But thanks for watching, and we're done here. That one fuse must have been bad, because now we're in business up front, and the back was always in business. And good to go. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.